It's kind of funny. I'm led there thinking, I've been led there for about 2 hours, just crashed out, relaxing. It's like 9 o'clock now, so it's not exactly late in the day. But I was there all happily snuggled up, daydreaming. I was like, oh, I can't lie here all day. And I thought, hang about, yes, I can. It's not just the fact that it's a Sunday, it's like, what the fuck else am I going to do? Go home and sit around the house all day? Ah, but, yeah, time to pack up, I suppose. Now, the oven ready foil thing has been split like an Irish girl pretending to be drunk. So that is now going to be cooperate your frigging thing. Right, that I'll get it in a minute. Is now going to be my over blanket. Thank you, you cooperated. Yeah, it's you little wanker. It's basically split down the middle. Not all the way, but most of the way. So what I'm going to do, for the time being, is use it because it weighs less than my sleeping bag. I'm going to have that as basically a blanket inside because it's fucking huge. So I can have that. I might stitch it a little bit, see if that'll actually hold together or not. But it's literally just a bit of foam with like foil sprayed on. I mean, it works. It's bloody effective. It's waterproof and it's windproof. So what I'm going to do when I get back, I'm going to order an underblanket. I've been reluctant to do that because I wanted to give it at least a month of actually doing the hammock thing to see whether or not I'd actually want to do the hammock thing. And yeah, I love it. It's just so relaxing. There's no Wi-Fi signal. My brain gets to relax, and it's just so. I got my little radio on the go with some classic, and yeah. So I'm going to get myself an under blanket. There's one I've seen. I think it's 23 quid, and if it'll fit. I mean, it doesn't have to fit the entire hammock. It just needs to fit the main bit where my torso goes. So I'll have the under blanket underneath. I'll have the inflatable mattress to lie on. Then I'll have the oven ready on top, which will give me, that should give me complete wind protection. I'm going to take off the old hammock because it's got to the point now where, because it doesn't have the structure to keep it in place, it's more of a hindrance than a help. Mainly psychologically, because I sit on it, I can hear it tearing a little bit, and you don't know what's tearing, but you know it's the old one. So that's going to come off because it's not doing a massive amount. If it does get to the point where it gets even windier, and these trees were dancing like mad last night, terrifying me like all over the place. But yeah, I've always got my polytunnel plastic, which gives me complete rain coverage, and I could always use it because I think it's 3 meters by 10. I could actually have that and wrap it around the hammock if it gets too bad. But that also means going for a piss is going to be problematic in the night. It means getting actually out of bed to go for a piss. So yeah, I mean, I may spend a lot of time awake with the wind and stuff, but the sleep I do get here, it's very, very quality sleep, as opposed to constantly waking up for noises. Yeah, how the hell is it I keep getting lights down there when there's no way you can see anything down there? Yeah, a lot of lights in the night down there. Different colours as well. And there was some really weird booming. I mean, I'm not sure if it's somebody parked up over North Hill, the other side, having a rave, or what it is, or where it's coming from. But there was a massive blast of noise for about 5 seconds. I think it was like midnight. So yeah, so time to pack up.
Some travellers moved into Callahan Park. And before you could say gypsy scum, we were knee-deep in dog-muck thieving kids and crusty jugglers.
Crusty jugglers.
We lost the title.